Hey guys, welcome back to Sebastian TV here. We are gonna do a sensory box, and if you never seen my videos, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like it, and we start doing it. We're gonna do this with my brother. We're gonna be using chocolate frosting, and we're gonna use some gummy worms, and we're gonna do some of these dirt cereal. Cereal, and if we're gonna use this thing to stir with, like dip and use this. If you guys have a shovel, definitely use it. But we don't. We have spoons. Spoons to mix it all up. Start putting this. It's good. Oops. I'm gonna use my. I don't want to. Let's put this in. Boom. This. Huh. It's like poof. Looks like it's really brown though. It looks. Can I try it? Can I try it? No, this is for. It got on my hand. Don't put it all over there. Put some over here too. Spread it. Yummy delicious. Does look good. Can I try it? That's yummy. It tastes like poopy. Hey, now do your box. The thing. Sensory box. Spread that out. That's pretty big. My mom just did that. It's a big piece of chocolate frosting. It looks like double slides are like going down. Let's get some of that over here. No.
What part of this?
This is the part where we're gonna like put the gummy worms next. Mud, yeah, mud. Guys, we are all done with the mud. That's good. That was good.
Eat it. Come put the gummy worms in. The gummy worms are gonna get in the mud.
We just put the worms in the dirt. Guys, we just put the worms in the dirt. Now spread it. Like a spreading bowl. How do I do it with the spoon? It's like spreading balls.
Good job.
Good one, Aiden. Aiden, do those. Those are all mixed together. Aiden, do these now. Oh, that looks good. Now let's put the cereal in. Yeah, cereal. We're gonna dump the cereal in there. We're gonna grab it. I try it, Mom. Put them in there. Now smash it.
Aiden, get some cereal. Cereal. Get a handful and squash it.
Taste that. It's actually really good.
Now squash it. Squash it. Go. Show him. Sebastian, talk to him. Tell him what to do.
And we're gonna squash it like this.
Push it. Use your muscles. Yeah.
Now, guys, we're gonna eat it. The sensory box is for us to eat it. That's good. No, it tastes like chocolate roasty stuff. I like the gummy worms and the cereal in next to because I like the crunch. That sounds cool. And there's no gummy worms for me.
Lots of gummy worms.
I got the hands on you. Well, it's like us in a game.
Guys, they're good.
That's a big gummy worm. Oh, 2 gummy worms connect together. I already don't feel good. Be careful. Tonight, eat it all, or you'll get a stomach ache. I hope you like this video. Give us a big thumbs up. over more.